Good afternoon everyone. Here we will study about MIS. MIS is a subject of BCA. So here is the meaning of MIS. MIS stands for Management Information System. Basically MIS is a Management Information System. As we can see, MIS is composed of three words: management first, second information, third system. So we will understand all the three words one by one. Here also we can see the meaning management. As we have studied this in semester first also, management. Simply management means to manage something. Management means to handle something, or we can say management is the art of getting things done by others. Management is art. Means management एक कला है दूसरों से काम करवाने की. There are various definitions of management are given in semester 1. According to Harold Kuntz, management is the art of getting things done from others in formally organized groups. Or there are the other definitions also by Peter Little. Management is what a manager does. Means management वो है जो एक manager करता है. So the person who does the work of management is called manager. Next term is information. Information means processed data. Data means raw fact. It means a data which is proved or processed, which has a valid meaning, is called an information. So we can say information is the processed data which is used for some action. We can also say a data which has some meaning is called an information. Now third term, system. We can say a system is collection of components. Components means parts or elements. A system is collection of components. Means when we collect many parts or elements of anything, it becomes a system. We can also say a system is an orderly grouping of independent components linked together according to a plan to achieve a goal. Yes, for example, we can say computer system. As we know, in computer there are two parts, hardware and software, and there are other parts like input. CPU means central processing unit, it is a processor. There is output. So there are input devices, output devices, memory device, also CPU device. So every device of system works just for producing output to user, just for giving the output to user. So here we can say input is data. Data is input here and information is output here. So in system, input data is input and output is information. So the combined meaning of MIS is management information system. We can say MIS is a system which gives information to management. Here we talk about which management. As we know, there are three levels of management: top level, middle level, lower level. Here in this management we always talk about top level. So MIS is a system which gives information to top level management for decision making, for problem solving, for planning, for policy making, and for other tasks also. So what is MIS? MIS is a system which gives information. As we can also say information is the lifeblood of an organization. Every organization is established because it has some flow of information. Without information, no organization can survive. Means information is the lifeblood. Information is the important thing of every organization. So every businessman, every organization, or every boss, or every management wants information. So for giving that information, we have generated a system which is called information system. This information system is a system which is given to management for any kind of work, either for decision making, or for planning, for policy, or for problem solving. So at the last, MIS is a system which gives information to management for decision making, for problem solving, for planning, for policy making, and for various tasks. MIS is a system. This system can be of any kind. It can be manual system or it can be a technical system related with information technology, means IT. We will discuss this in next video. Okay class, thank you.